Welcome to Doprax. So you've signed up on Doprax and you're ready to spin up your first virtual machine. Awesome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create your own VM and explain what all those options actually mean. Let's start with the basics. A virtual machine is like your own computer in the cloud. You can host websites, run apps, deploy APIs, or experiment safely without affecting your local system. Developers love it because it gives full control with no hardware hassle. Now let's walk through the setup. Step 1. Choose your infrastructure provider. Doprax works with trusted cloud providers like DigitalOcean, Vultr, OVH, G-Core, and UpCloud. They provide different specs for different prices. For more detailed information, check out our documentation at doprax.com. Step 2. Choose your location. Pick a region close to your users. That's key for speed. Doprax offers servers in Germany, the Netherlands, the UK, the US, Canada, Australia, India, Singapore, and more. Closer means faster. If data protection matters, choose a European location like Germany or the Netherlands. Step 3. Choose your image. That's your operating system. You can pick Ubuntu, Debian, CentOS, Alma Linux, Rocky, or Fedora. If you're new to Linux, go with Ubuntu. It's user-friendly and well-documented. Step 4. Choose your size. This sets the power of your VM, things like RAM, CPU, disk, and traffic. Smaller setups like 1 gig of RAM and 1 CPU are great for light use or VPNs. If you're running web apps or databases, go higher, 4 gigabytes of RAM or more. You'll also get a dedicated IPv4 and IPv6 address. Step 5. Launch and connect. Once you click Create Virtual Machine, Doprax sets everything up automatically. You'll receive your IP address, username, and temporary password. To connect, just open your terminal and type. Enter the password when prompted and you're in. From here, you can install software, deploy apps, or configure your server any way you like. And if something goes wrong, you can always recover using rescue mode. A tutorial on rescue mode is coming up, by the way. And that's it. Your virtual machine is now live and ready to use. Now that your virtual machine is live and you are connected, let's explore the powerful management panels that Doprax provides. First, the Overview tab gives you a summary of your machine's status. Here you can confirm it is running, its location, and the operating system. In this example, Ubuntu 25.04, hosted by Vultr. You can also review your full resource specifications, including the amount of RAM, CPU, SSD, and your current IP4 and IP6 addresses. The Access tab is where you can find your main username and password for connection. Crucially, this tab features Rescue Mode. Rescue Mode lets you fix a broken virtual machine without changing your data. It starts your VM in a safe temporary environment so you can access and repair your main disk manually. Under the Network tab, you can monitor your traffic and bandwidth usage. Doprax provides a generous total 30-day quota, typically thousands of gigabytes, which unlocks gradually over that 30-day period. The Snapshots panel is essential for backups. By clicking Take a Snapshot, you save your virtual machine's current state for easy rollbacks, ensuring you can always restore your data if a configuration or deployment goes wrong. Finally, the Domains tab is how you connect a custom URL to your server. After adding your own domain, you must verify it by creating an A record with the value of your virtual machine's IP address. This step is done via your external DNS provider, such as Cloudflare. That covers all the basic features of your new virtual machine. Create yours today on Doprax, the easiest way to deploy, manage, and scale in the cloud. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Make sure to subscribe if you want to learn more about VM and app deployment in the cloud. See you in one of my next videos.